Having trouble getting Discord to install on your PC because it keeps giving you that annoying Discord setup.exe installation has failed error? Don't sweat. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 easy steps to fix it. So let's jump right in and get it sorted out. Step 1. Reset the DNS cache from your computer. To do this, click on the search icon and type in cmd. Next, right-click on command prompt, select Run as administrator, and then click on Yes to give permission. After that, type in ipconfig/flushdns here and hit enter. Now let's go to the next step now. Solution 2. Close Discord from Task Manager. To do this, right-click on the taskbar here and select Task Manager from the pop-up. Next, type Discord in the search bar here, and all the processes related to Discord should come up. Now, right-click on one of them and then click on End Task from the context menu. After that, all the processes should disappear. Let's move on to the last step. Step 3. Delete corrupted files from your PC. For this one, click on the search icon here and type in Run. Next, click on Run from the search result. After that, type in %appdata% and hit enter. Now, the Windows Explorer should open up. From here, go to the Discord folder and delete everything from here. Now, open the Run program again. Then type in %localappdata% and press enter. Next, go to the Discord folder and delete everything from here as well. Now, restart your computer. After your computer turns on, fire up a browser of your choice and go to discord.com. Now, click on the Download for Windows button and the setup file should start downloading. Once it's done downloading, click on it, and it should start installing without any issues. So that's how you fix installation has failed error when installing Discord on your Windows computer. If the video helped you solve the issue, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you in a jiffy. As always, thanks a million for tuning in.